Welcome to the first of many Indiana Internet video tutorials for employers. My name is Pat Patterson and I am the Indiana Internet Program Coordinator. And in this first video tutorial, I will show you how to register a new account as an employer. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to our homepage at indianaintern.net. This is the page you will see. Located in the center right hand side of the page, you will see an existing user's login box. As a new user, you will click on the gray New User tab. After clicking the tab, you'll be prompted to choose your participation category, which is employer. This next page lists Indiana Internet's terms of use. After reading through the terms, click on the Accept button below to go on to the next page. This next page is the employer verification page. In order to ensure your company is not already registered, the system will request that you enter your organization's name in this text box. If the system finds your organization is already registered with Indiana Internet, it will prompt you to contact the webmaster to add you to your organization's account. I'm going to use an example. My example is the Indiana Chamber. So I will search to see if they are already registered. In this case, the Indiana Chamber of Commerce is already a registered user with Indiana Internet. So instead of creating a duplicate account, you'll want to contact the webmaster to be added to the already existing account for your organization. You can do so by either emailing at intern@indianachamber.com or calling the number listed here. In that case, you'll be directed to me, and I'll be able to add you to your already existing organization's account. For the most part, since you will be adding yourself as a new user to our system, your company will not be able to be found. I will use an example. I will just use Pat's Company, which is a company I know does not exist in our database. And you will search for your organization. And then, in this case, no results were found. And you will be able to continue on with registration. This next page is the registration page. It is broken up into two sections. The first section is information about your organization. The second section is information about your company contact. In the first section, go ahead and fill out your organization name and contact information. I'm not going to go ahead and fill this out since this is a made-up company, but you're going to want to fill out all this information accurately to ensure that students know where your company is located. If you need help with the county you're located in, there's a county help button that lists all the cities in the state and its corresponding county. And also if you need help with your industry, there's an industry help button. And we use the North American Industry Classification System, which lists the industries under that classification and then the types of organizations that fall under that industry. For example, if you're a manufacturer, you fall under the manufacturing industry, which is pretty straightforward to understand. Let's say you have a company you're not sure which industry it is, for example, broadcasting, that would fall under information industry. After you fill out the county and industry, you want to fill out the rest of your contact information. And it is important that you fill out the county and industry accurately because when students apply for internships, they create a search and they base their search on a county and an industry. And if they do choose your county and industry to search for an internship, you're going to want to make sure you have the correct county and industry listed so that your organization's internship postings will fall under their search results. You may also choose to add an employer URL, and this may be something you may want to do. When students do apply for internships and they search for postings, they'll be able to see your company and they'll have the option to click on the URL. If you add the URL to the workspace, the student will be able to gain more information about your organization before they do indeed apply. So that is the first section about your organization information. The second section is your company contact information. And this person will be the person who will be primarily in charge of your organization's account. They will be the administrator to the account, and they'll be able to add internship postings and also search for interns. And this person will also be able to add any new users to your organization's account. So you're going to want to fill out their name, and contact information, including their email address and also a preferred username. We suggest that you use the first letter of your first name and the last name to make it easier to remember. And after you do so, go ahead and click on the submit button. I won't do that because this is a made-up company once again. But once you click the submit button, your company contact will be emailed their password, and they'll be able to gain access to your organization's account. So that is how to register with Indiana Internet. Thank you for watching. Our next video tutorial will show you how to create an internship posting after you access your workspace. So thanks again, and go ahead and watch the rest of our videos.